to abstain from the negative deeds, physically, verbally, and mentally, not to indulge with the negative deeds. There are total 10 non-virtuous deeds. And the number one is killing, to kill any living beings, from tiny insect up to a human being. If you intentionally kill anybody, any living beings, it is the first negative deeds. And second is stealing. If you steal precious things up to insignificant things, if you intentionally take, then that is the second non-virtuous. Third is the sexual misconduct, apart from one's own life partner, to indulge with any other persons. So these are the three physical non-virtuous deeds. Then there are four non-virtuous deeds committed by speech. First one is telling lie, not truth, especially in order to cheat people, to tell the lie. And second is to create the disharmony between individuals or the groups. And third one is harsh words, telling the very, very unkind words. And the fourth one is idle talks that does not have benefit, but increases the desire and anger, talk about war, talk about prostitutes and so on, that increases the defilements. And then these are the four committed by voice. Then three committed by mind, and that is coveting or wanting other people's things but for yourself. Greedy mind that wanting other people's positions or possessions to take yourself. And then second is hatred, hating people and or animals, for any living beings. Third one is the wrong view, or not believing in the law of karma and truth, rebirth, etc. If you don't believe in rebirth, 10 non-virtuous deeds, we must abstain. And to be able to, everyone wanted to be good, but we cannot do it because our defilement, our mind is very wild. We must train our mind, tame our mind, so that we could be able to abstain from these negative minds. The practice of the virtuous deeds, which are the opposite of the 10 non-virtuous deeds. So with this, we promise to do this. You promise to do this.